Hello and welcome to Mera Vote Weekly News Roundup. All big news at a glance.
The cinegoers around the world are relishing the release of the Wonder Woman 1984 after it was delayed due to the lockdown imposed all around the world because of the COVID-19 pandemic. While the Wonder Woman sequel release is being celebrated, one activist in India attracted the attention of a global celebrity. Bilkis Bano, also affectionately known as the Bilkis Dadi, had come into limelight during the Shaheen Bagh protests against the then months-old Citizenship Amendment Act and the proposition of the NRC, or the National Register of Citizens. In early December last year, Bilkis Bano had come to join the protests of the farmers against the 3 central farm laws. She was returned by the police to her residence in southeast Delhi, as the government had feared that her joining the farmers will bring in more support for the protests on the ground. The central government had passed 3 farm laws in September, which intend to liberalize the agro markets. But the farmers and many observers observed that the laws will specifically benefit the corporate lobbyists and will destroy the minimum support price mechanism. This observation has been supported by experts like the economist Kaushik Basu. Therefore, the farmers from the various states of the country like Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, led by the groups from Punjab and Haryana, have camped at the borders of Delhi protesting the passing of the 3 farm laws. The farmers have endured water cannons, winter nights, and the winter rains. Bilkis Bano, also known as the Shaheen Bagh Dadi, had tried to join in the farmer protests. Her fame and aura has enamored the world media. This had put the central government into huge discomfort, as she was already identified on the international level by the Time magazine as one of the 100 most influential people of 2020. Hence, Bilkis Bano has become the icon of the Shaheen Bagh protests against the CAA NRC and a voice of the marginalized. On the New Year Eve, the Hollywood actress Gal Gadot, known globally for portraying the role of the Wonder Woman in the movies of DC Extended Universe, expressed that Bilkis Bano, the Dadi of Shaheen Bagh, is one of her Wonder Women. Gal stated that Bilkis Bano had shown that it is never too late to fight for what you believe in. The other women who are on the Gal Gadot's list of Wonder Women include Kamala Harris, the US Vice President-elect, the Prime Minister of New Zealand, Jacinda Ardern, and Catherine Jansen, the head of the vaccine research at Pfizer. The leadership of the women in various fields, be it entertainment world like Gal Gadot, be it in political world like Kamala Harris and Jacinda Ardern, or in the field of protests for the marginalized like Bilkis Bano, has taken the world by storm in the volatile years of 2019 and 2020. It holds promises of a better future for the world in the long run. That's it for today. Keep watching the space for more news updates.